We are so ready to go now.
Okay lang, gutom na.
Gutom na. So guys, we are here at the van.
Yo, yo, yo!
Yo, yo! And of course, si Kois Alden.
Wow,
Pinakagwapo.
agad ako kayo yung tabi.
So
Hi guys,
guys,
kumusta?
padulong namin sa payag ni Lolo Ire.
Payag ni Lolo Ire.
First time na kumato guys and I'm so excited. It's because lami ko nung pagkaon dito. Is that true, Kois?
Lami. Indonesian no vibes.
Lami, lami.
Indonesian.
Di?
Lami kayo.
Lami kayo.
Dili kay lami.
Lami kayo. Sige guys. So we'll be traveling from Tacloban to Tanawan for about pila ka minutes? Pila ka minutes kuya? Oh, 30 minutes.
Ayun mga kalsada dito.
Anyways, that's okay. Maabot agad po to. And see you sa payag. Bye. So guys, we are here now at payag ni Lolo Ere. We just arrived and it's so nice here. Hey guys, we are here.
I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know.
Hey guys, we are here now at payag ni Lolo Ere and it's so very nice in here guys. Feel mo, feel siya na parang nasa Bali, Indonesia. And here at my side guys is a big jacuzzi. Look at that. So cool, right? Hindi siya guys. And there's a lot of cool stuff nga na dire. Nga wala pa ako ka-try because this is my first time. And they have the spa sa likod. Nasa spa nga to. Muna nila accommodation guys sa babaw. Very native. Very nice. We are here at their spa area. So dito yung spa area nila guys. So overlooking dito guys is yung rice fields sa likod and maganda yung hangin dito guys. Very cool and good for two dito. Pwede mag paspa if you want to visit here guys. If you want to visit here, you must check it out kasi maganda dito. Super legit guys. Grabe! Sarap dito!
That I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made.
Yo.
Good morning guys!
Good morning. Open na aga.
Open aga from
Maulan.
Tacloban
Oran na mga.
City. Morning guys, we are here at the office of Star Legends Adventure.
Star Legends back then.
Yeah, and
Legends
currently guys it's raining, so nagstay pa mi diri kon sa office. Sunod guys is mga tunamiron sa Giwan and we have a lot of stopover from ano to?
Mga
Churches no, sa tawag to sa island no. So currently
mo.
yeah, okay naman. That's nice.
Suot kang timbahan.
Yeah, because I'm religious. Oh, nugget good. It's good.
Loni.
Loni.
Guys,
Basta ako ka lang.
okay ra kayo kaysa.
Okay, gayo.
Okay guys, before we go sa among destination, we would like to thank our sponsor. Wait, di na mo! Our sponsor, Star Legends Adventure. You know where it is guys. If mo-avail mo guys sa ilang package, you can roam around the world with the hassle-free travel. Yeah, very true. Very, very true. Kaya ba mo guys, tatadari karon guys oh. Philippines. Alright guys. You know what it is. Philippines. Yeah, Philippines. And we're not sponsored by Nescafe. Baka naman.
Dari ko speakers dito.
Asa ko? Ato ko? So guys, we are here at the band and we are ready. We are so ready to go now. And nag-moist na akong camera. Yeah, nag-moist siya. Yeah, nag-moist. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Okay guys, we are here now at Samar province, and at my back guys is the church of Balngiga Church, one of the historic church here in Samar, province of Samar. I think it's one of the oldest church here in Samar. So guys, at my back there's three big bells at my back. So yan yung isa sa mga highlights dito guys, is yung tatlong bell na malaki. It has a story behind what happened to the three bells. Next is we're gonna go inside the church. Dito sa church guys, let's go inside.
Lightning strikes by my window. It's my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real.
So guys, we are here now at the town of Giwan, the eastern part of Samar. At my back is the Immaculate Conception Church, and it was built 1925 to 1964. So guys, army there guys, and the weather is good. Dili siya maulan, mainit siya, so nice. And this church was destroyed by Yolanda, and now it was restored, and nice. Okay guys, dito na yung bangka, but I don't know if kasya kami lahat dito kasi maliit lang, and there are almost 20 people here, so it's a bit of problem. My God, init!
Okay lang, gutom na.
Ito na.
Grabe. Gutom na kayo.
Oh, sure, right.
Init kayo, grabe. Marag aircon. Mura summer, na-feel ako summer sa van. Na-feel ako good, grabe.
Pero ang passenger.
Live your life within the moment.
We're gonna travel for 2 hours.
And mainit
Tabok
siya.
sa,
Mainit siya guys. Sea.
Pacific Ocean. Ano si Sir Dior? Kasi name yung Sir. Shesa.
Hi, say hi to the vlog, sir.
Yes, hello. Hi to the vlog.
So ilang oras na babiyahe? 2 hours?
2 hours po yung biyahe from Iwan to Handi.
Handig Beach. So, kakayanin ng init guys. Let's go.
And don't go wait until the morning.
Init. Wala kasi kami dito. Wala kaming cover. So ito yung gamit ko. Trapal. Let's go, mainit. Look guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. Get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air blend in there.
Okay guys, we are now in the island and nami karon sa mo ang tree house. Sa to ba ni? Tree house?
Cottage.
Big cottage lang, big cottage.
Sa second floor.
Yeah.
Sa attic.
Nami there guys, nami sa babaw. Look.
Sige daw,
Nami
Chris.
there. Nag-relax siya sa likod guys, si Kuya Speedy, another is Alden. Kay ginitan and yeah, it's so hot, very hot sa island. And relax for me guys. And later we're gonna roam around. There's island, so chill sana guys.
What's up? Open aga.
Open aga
Sakit ako
from-
likod, grabe.
HOMONHON.
It's the first time na natog galing kayo. Pero okay naman.
Just woke up ni Coach Alden guys.
At least waking up to this view.
At our back guys is our cottage for last night. Doon kami nag-sleep. And yeah, it's okay naman. At the word for this cottage guys is like 3,000, good for 10 to 20 people.
Ay, bulan na. Ano daw? Medyo pait-pait. So, yun na lang.
So guys, we'll be having our breakfast. We have some eggs.
Malay na lang ko dito.
And the best na pinakalami guys is ang bulad. Yeah, bulad. Dried fish. So let's eat guys.
Hey guys, maayong buntag, maupay nga aga. At the moment, gikan namin ng breakfast. Si PD na stress na si PD kaya manandang drone. Hopefully,
What is stress?
hopefully mo okay siya kay kung dili, amo na lang ihatag ni Vince. Palito ni Vince, palit ni bagko.
Which homie?
At the moment, looking weather ka mo.
Mga enemy guys. Taod, mga enemy. But
Hopefully by 10 a.m. makasakay namin sa boat.
yeah,
And then
sa boat.
it's gonna be another 2 hours boat ride. Then pag-abot sa mainland Giwan, we'll be taking a van, 4 hours drive going back to Tacloban City. And then from Tacloban City, another 2 hours drive. Laban lang kita sa 6 hours.
6 hours.
6 hours ka biyahe, pero okay na kay it's a rare opportunity nga makarig HOMONHON kay pamali siya secluded nga island.
Tulad kita.
Di ba bro?
May buntag. Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. Kana mga subscriber na Vince diha, transfer mo sa amo now in PH.
Dapat umalin ang now in PH ako sa. Di ba taw? Subscribe mo sa among channel guys.
Subscribe.
And don't forget, visit Star Legends Adventures for a hassle-free travel if man
Yes.
og HOMONHON Island.
Nya pangita si Miss Shine. Arpo na lang si Miss Shine ay. Ay, tago mga shy type. Mga shy type lang sila. Book Star Legends. What's that, ma'am? Star Legends. starlegends.com.ph. For hassle-free travel experience, you can book ticket online, you can book your airline tickets, cruises, bus, napi bus. Mga boats, ayan na.
Yeah.
And then you can take advantage of their discount, nasa lay promo. Tingnan mo ba, Miss Shine?
Na may promo, di
Oh,
ba?
di ba? Nasa lay promo.
Yeah, nasa promo guys. You should visit here guys sa HOMONHON Island. Out of the list sa mga laing lugar nga first time mo jud ka makaanig.
Oh, nindot siya dire.
Lindot yun siya.
Pero kung mawari mo, magdagan food kay ang barangay layo pa from Handig Beach.
Yeah, layo yun siya.
Apparently, Handig Beach is the most popular resort today. And Handig Beach, Handig, you know?
Handig.
Lang kayo. Handig Beach, kay 1 year old pa na siya.
Yeah, naata sa HOMONHON Island, pero ang location gud is Handig Beach. Magud siya. Okay. Dako na siya nga island, pero usually ang mga tao is nagid ang bisita sa Handig Beach. So mo to guys. And
Because HOMONHON Island, according to my research,
Yeah.
20 kilometers ang whole expanse niya. So dako kayo siya.
Dako gud siya.
Yeah, since layo mo siya sa mainland, walay ko andali, walay 4 wheels.
You should bring also mga portable lights para na may suga. Pero na may light dali, di ba? Na may kuan dali,
lights.
na
Nasa
may
may solar.
solar. Which is nice, pero
Which is a good thing kay they use renewable energy.
Yeah.
Kung sa may tips dia bro, sa mga ano tips sa mga first time travelers sa HOMONHON. Kayas.
Kung
Okay, no, good.
mga backpackers, syempre, magdala mo yung kaugaling ng tubig, food. Pero dire kung muari mo kuan Handig Beach Resort. Actually na pwede naman mo contact ridaan. Sila na mo provide sa inyo food. Pero syempre, kanahamog mga kuan extra food. Actually naitindahan dire walking distance siguro pinaka nearest barangay sa to Habag. Mga siguro mga 10 minutes na kuan na stroll. Pero
Fiesta dito karon. Mamista ta.
nindot sa mag-walking dire kay na pathway na kuan ba fine white sand, no? Straight ra ang kuan na gwapo.
Yeah, fiesta pigi karon. Mamista mi dito before manguli. Mamista mi.
di mamista guys ay. Mauwa mi.
So guys, we're on the way going back na. Yeah. Guys, mahabilin. Ibiyahin Mr. Po. Tapos binsay. Guys, biyahan na to guys. Biyahan na to. Yan, ano ba sa parpak kay nabilin man sa. How's your experience?
Nice kayo.
Will you be back?
Syempre dalo na ko kuan.
Bye guys. Very nice.
Rate from 1 to 10.
9.
Sa ng 1, sa ng 1.
Secret.
Siyempre tanan naging experience for improvement.
Yeah. For me, it's only 9. So guys, mula ko na mi. Bye-bye. Bye guys.
Okay, say hi sa vlog guys.
Hello.